Hello everyone. So in you everyone knows. Hello everyone. In this series, we every day create a random design to improve our UI sense. So today I'm not going to like pick up any design from internet. Today what I'm going to do is like improve my existing design from my site to a better one with the help of our AI peoples. So my site is, if I go to my site's homepage, you will see like this is kind of the things kind of this like orange and dark. So my full site should be dark, not this white and black and white background. So what I'm going to do is like this chat session knows what my site themes actually look like because I just told him. So in this chat session, I should do what is in offline every day. Ask him with, with giving him a screenshot of a tool of mine and ask him how to improve the tool. So today I'm going to do is with this TXT file maker. Let's see how could we improve it, and we'll use our big brain too. But let's just get its opinion first. So I'm going to do is like take a screenshot of this full page and tell him how to improve this. So let's see what does he respond. Oh, fuck. So I have hit the limit. Oh shit. So I'm not going to do it with Claude. Let's try if another boy can help us. First, give him the theme page of PulpYard. So I'm just opening my local one. So I'm providing my cheap plot this design so we can understand what my UI, what my theme is. This is my site home page. Just sharing with you so you can know how my site look. Let's see what he say. Okay, I'll trash. Now ask him the same. Guide me to improve this design for that site, please. Let's see what does he say. So as I know, like GPT is not that good for UI designs. Claude is better, as I heard. Like I always use Claude, but today for the first time I'm just going with GPT for like guidance of UI. Let's see how it goes. So let's read it line by line. Alright, I see what you're trying to do here. That slice strict background effect is cool. What? But right now it's hurting usually to more than I think okay, whatever. Or trash like use one background image, not repeated slice. What? Is he mentioning you at my home? Oh shit, he's just talking. Stupid arsehole. As I said, it is not that great for UI. Let's try Gemini. It is just trash talking. So let's try Gemini. Gemini is a bit trash in coding, but what's wrong? Just give it a try. Let's see how it responds. So moving from the contrast homepage to tool page, the current design is functional but feel a little bit clinical. Okay. Okay, it just gave me the idea. So let's read it. Okay, let's do that. So what it says is like first improve the background. So I'm just going to my other tools for background suggestion. Let's also open my my tools to file. So it's txt maker. So all my CSS should be here. Yes, it is here. Uh, for first I'm going to do one thing like I did missed for every tool. So I have to do it for everyone. So I have to like keep it in a inner instead of like wrap. So if I like copy it, like a inner, give it some indent. Yes, yeah, whatever. Let's make make uh, this container like others. I'm just going to copy the container name and PHP tool inner. I'm just adding the role here. Let's see. it does anything or not. So the main problem is this. There is sheets going on. Still is not working. What the hell? I hate this. Container has maxed it. Oh, there is a separate CSS file. So let's just rip it off. What the hell? Let's just. What can I do? If I change the class name in our this text file markup, it might like miss. Let's say like PHP TXT container. Um, what it's oh, sorry. It should be just like PHP to email, and in the let's say I'm going to set a background. I'm going to just take one. I guess I'm going to use this background everywhere. Let's see how it goes. Background of like this. Let's see. Why it's not taking the what? Container. This would be a container. Yes, now you can see this taking the container size. So let's improve it more. So txt file maker and this description does not need it for now at least. So I'm just going to comment it. I'm going to keep my file name and the file extension in one row. So let's do that. Let's do the class file info. Let's keep some prefix file info container. Let's see. It's not in a row, but it's in the same same container, so I can just do display flex and give it some like gap, or I guess I don't need any gap. It's at 100%. Oh, it's not taking the whole space. It's taking the whole space. If I give him like uh, first one, if I call him like file name to py file name field, and also change it in my code so I do not forget later. So if I like add flex grow on, yes, it's look good. The problem is the height of this. So what can I do here? Can I like add some padding for it to be same? I don't know. No, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. I have to do something. What if I remove these labels? Like I can just hide them. Display of none. So in the span, isn't it like level? Instead of doing the role in one form, we have to do it like everyone, like so. It's now okay. This validation text also not needed. I'm just removing it. So like I can match the height of this board. So now if I say like uh, give it as class to py with file extension field, and shit, let's also copy it here. Yes. So if I say like height 100% slab block, how to do it? What can I do? Background. This also should not be white. What the hell I'm doing? Okay, it's not what to do. I have to give the style to the select. Yes, height 100% definitely work. So now let's mm, give some background. So again, I'm actually copying from here the background of the field. So all look same. I'm just putting it here for now. So in this file info container, we have select and we have input of type equal text. So let's give them a background of this. Yes, and the color of like white maybe. What we are using here, is it white? Let's see. Is it white? I don't know. I'm assuming it's white. And any border. We don't want any border, but still. Uh, again, click Ctrl Shift C. Like grab this border, also this box shadow. I like it. So let's say box shadow border. Mhm. So I can like instead of giving them both, I can just do it for like the file info container maybe. Does it help? And also remove the border from here. Turn on box shadow. No. Yes, it's a bit good, but for the select, I should have to separate it with the file name. So this is like border left 1 pixel solid. Just a it is 0 wait, what's not working? Does it work if I give it get important? Yes, it does. So let me grab the border color. So let's make it more important by giving it a little bit specificity. Yes, I'm good at English. Let's do that. Well, yes, I guess. Yes, I see the border now, and give to the entire thing a little bit border radius. Just of like a pixel. Yes, also this thing too. Now it looks better uh, for me. Whatever. Now let's move to this. I actually hate label in this one because this is a very unique design that only people like me can make. So I have to do what I want to do. Hmm. Yes. So let's give it the background too. So this is like doesn't have any class. What? Let's say it like file content fit. Also text area. Let's say background. Yes, it's working. So the background will be this one. and the border should be none. Actually, none is not looking good for border. I mean, like using the previous one, the one used in the title too. Also, border radius of 8 pixel and a gap, so look better. A gap of like 14 pixel, I guess. Type something. So the text area color should be a white, but I want the less the color or something 888, sorry, maybe like 333, maybe 111, and what less the okay, again make me mistake, less shoulder. Yes, here we go. Yes, so the focusing should not have any like extra outline. Let's fix it. So this would be like focus. This would be like tape. See, maybe this is focus within the hair. So this is focus visible. So it's what for that to this editor visible. What this isn't this a border? Oh, it was an outline. Whatever. Mm, let's make it little bit better. What we do here is not that better, but let's make it better. Wait, I will charge my PC. I mean my laptop. Here we go. So, so let's see what we can do here. I guess we only have one, like one H2. So I'm just putting cells like that. So let's say background would be dark, completely dark, padding of kind of like 8 pixel above 10 pixel the side, maybe 12 or 14 pixel in the side, a little bit of border radius like 4 pixel, maybe 8, yes, a font size of like 18 pixel, maybe a little extra, and what it called the uppercase, making it uppercase, yes, text transform uppercase. Word spacing, is there any? Yes, there is an option word spacing of 2 pixel. I'm making this shit, oh, shit, whatever. Let me make it white. Maybe the previous one was better. So let's make it like it this look better. Little bit of margin, like 8 pixel more. Yes, here we go. So this point of thing like catching my eye. I cannot tolerate it. HTML select arrow icon height. If there is any way, there should be any way. Yes, this. I hate you, Mister. Wait a second. Yes, this go. Actually hate that. Also do something like border top left radius to 0, border bottom left radius to 0 too. So this border look little bit cool. Also, I have to do the same for my input. Yes, this one. Let's say focus. This would be focus within focus visible. Maybe active. That's it. Also, let's say outline to none. Yes, that will help. Yes, much better than before. So let's now do something with the buttons. What did my brother say earlier? Okay, he didn't mention anything important. So let's make the button uh, maybe I actually don't like this color. Let's see what we have in like our other tools. The stick checker and MQ player is the earlier tool I just redesigned like this one. I don't know, somehow I like this one and the player this one. Yes, I'm going to use them both. So let's do that. Yes, find difference and clear. Can I just copy the CSS from inspector? Is this that easy or this like confusing? Yeah, it is confusing. It's stupid shit. Let's say what is the padding of this and the font typography. Then we are done. So font family enter font size 16 with this one. What is the padding? 8 pixel block and 16 pixel others. So this is like action BTS pure BTN group. Oops. Let's say for all buttons inside this group, let's say the spacing and typography is good, I'll say, but The thing I don't like is like the color. So the background will be like orange, sheet orange. Actually taking actually taking this one. The color should be flat and border none. Obviously outline none. Obviously, and for the clear button, it's just this. Let's do that. Let's grab the background. This is the background color, and everything is like others. It doesn't work. Or uh, will it work? Is that important? Yes, it will work. So we have to just improve the specificity, and if there is any important like from before, we have to deal with that. Okay, we used ID, so it's taking more specificity. But what specificity we have in this? This is better, I guess. Hmm, it's not working, and it's frustrating, and just isn't important. Much better. And let's grab the border too. Border. It is a solid. Yes. Margin top. Let's move the buttons in the left side. I mean right side. So the margin left will be auto. Left. Uh, let's fit content. Yes. Also, it told me to like make this height more. So I'm not quite sure how to do that. So I'm keeping it as it is. I guess it's better to keep this one. So also I should like add a like SVG here for download. UX swing. Let's get to the UX swing. Download icon. I think this one is better. Copy SVG code. Yes. this is a bad idea. What I like to do is like keep a hidden div in the bottom of the uh, file, like div style explain on, um, so just paste it here, whatever. Wait, what did I do? Okay, and like give it a ID so I can get it easily, like PY download icon. So if I like this, I can actually use it here. Like if I say SVG weight, what is the weight of this? I don't know. What could be the weight of this SVG? I'm getting, I'm like guessing it's square, so I'm like 14 pixel height, 14 to SVG, and we have something called use, SVG use. So if you do like href of like hash and then the ID of the icon, like so, I paste and like okay, I have to also take all of my codes and updated codes. So let's paste them here. Let's see if it's updated or not. Yes, it's quite a bit updated, but let's sort out this icon. I mean, it's obviously getting more width than expected. So the height is, oh, the width properties. This should work. It's quite working, but not so working because the alignment is not okay. So this is something I hate about the use of SBGUs. I always try to figure out how to fix this, but I never could. Still, in this one, let's try if I could do anything. Oh, the shit terminal is becoming worse. I can do a backup thing. Like if I do bottom, make it position related 0, and like if I do as it's quite little bit like hard coded, I like this. The padding should be extra 20 pixel of what we already have. So the padding in the padding the right should be like 24 pixel, while the padding in the right here should be like 8 pixel or 16 pixel, whatever. I don't know what padding you have. Precision, absolute. I guess it's quite bit centered now. Now let's just do the padding thing. Oh shit, mistake again. Padding, padding, right of 20 pixel. Shit, I am again giving this to the same. This one. Padding, padding, right to 20 pixel. That's zero. But a little bit. It is too much static, but does my job work? So I'm going with it. I don't think this could become an issue later. But if it become, I'm gonna fix it later. But now it's fine. It's super fine. I don't think it's actually that good. Okay, let's accept it. I guess that is it. Let's see what's happening on like mobile devices. I'll do so. I guess it's good mobile. So for like mobile devices, I'm just adding a 10 pixel. I guess that's better. So Let's call it 16 pixel. And I guess this is pretty much what I wanted to do today. So if I check the previous status in my actual site, the tools, the TXT maker, I guess this is like TXT file maker. If I see, so you can see this is quite a bit trash because my current uh, theme of this site is like kind of bit dark and orange. So in front of that, it's not nothing. So now the current one is better. I'm not saying it's best. Actually, it's best, but I'm not saying it. But it's better than the previous one. So I guess I'm done for today. Tomorrow or later, I'm going to like take another one and the tool and like fix it as much as possible. But uh, I'm not sure if I record them or not. But let's put them in production, like make the changes in our main site. Let's do that. It's actually my child theme code. Tools, shortcode. There should be no text maker. So let's grab the text maker code from here. I'll just paste it and see if it works in production. So my site will be pulpyard.com/tools/txtmaker. Let's see how it goes. There's something. So it should be to what? Let's visit it by this one. It's txt file maker, not just txt maker, whatever. So you see the new design is here. Now also like grab the M3 player too, which I did not put in production yet. You can see the trash. So the M3 player. Let's grab it here to GG plus save. Let's see. Yes. Now let's just hope it work. Like, can I pull the channels? Yes, it did. So let's play random one. Is it playing? Yes, it is playing. Okay, thank you.